How would you like that? Okay? Good. Hi, welcome to Slime Surprise Toys. So I have all of these slimes, so I'll tell you all the names. So this one is mango yellow. This is pink strawberry. This is blueberry blue. And this is purple-licious. This is blue, but I want purple. Purple-licious. So what would you like? You want the yellow one? Okay, so let's see if you like it first. Okay? Oopsies, my slime fell. Hang on. It just fell on the floor, but it's closed. Yeah. Got it open. It's a really fun slime. And if you want all of these slimes, it says you need $100 if you want all of these slimes. So yeah. So this slime is a really fun slime. It's a really hard, stretchy. Okay. So it just stretches like far. So yeah. Hang on, someone else is back. We're with the slime. Hi. Would you like more slime? You would like high slime surprise? Okay. Here you go. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get away. I'm not being mean. It says he stole one of my slimes. He stole a mango one. And yeah, and I did not like it. So yeah. Would you like this one? Want to touch it? Okay. I was just like seeing if like you wanted it, because I was just showing you like how it works and stuff like that. Here. Okay, here. Do you like it? Yeah? Okay. So like, I'm gonna like play with the other slimes and see if you want this one or you want the rest. Or if you want different ones. I'm gonna do the blue one. This one, like, I really love. Like, okay, look, watch. It stretches really, really far. And it stretches, like, real far. So I'm just gonna play with it and see, like, if you like it, like regular, okay? Okay. He gets a lot of glitter. Here, see if you want it. Oopsies. I'm sorry, I'm just filming for my camera. Do you like it? No? No, you need to fill it again. You like it? Okay. Okay. Maybe like right here. Because there's way too much light over there. So, do you like it? Okay. You like this one? Okay. I'm sorry if it's really loud. It's just like the lids. This one is like a tiny slime. It has like this little they have also like hidden surprises in them. So I recommend don't put them in there while you play them. It's just like cat. This one doesn't really stretch that far because like it's a really tiny slime. I mean, like it stretches like very farther, but like yeah, it stretches like a long time. Sorry if there's like people out there. It's just my waiters. They're just making drinks. So let's see if you like this one. I'm sorry if this is a whole big giant mess. You like it? Okay, good, because like this one is really sparkly and I took way too much time on this. I took on like a lot of time. Oopsies, I forgot to put the cat in. Yeah, like the surprises, like the cat, like there's every single surprise in there. It's like a thank you gift kinda. Like thank you gift for like coming here and stuff. Okay. This one I like too. It's the same exact color as this one. I have a yellow one in this. And this one is a cloud. This one is a cloud. This one is a cloud. So this one is a cloud, like the clouds. This is a cloud. This is a cat, and this is a cloud. So yeah. So like there's different like surprises in there. Want to touch it? Okay, here. You like it? Okay, good. So now you just need to pick what one you want. You want what one? This one, this one, this one, or the yellow one? Or what one do you want? I'm not being weird, I'm just saying like what one do you want? Hang on, I need some. Okay, never mind, there's no water. Like what do you want? You want the pink one? Okay, sure. That would be $38.98. I'm at $38. Here. Oops. Here you go. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.